Hello there. In this video, I want to clear up some myths about bad credit and VA loans. I've done quite a bit of videos on bad credit and VA loans. I've noticed that there are a lot of misconceptions out there. People got things twisted, either things that I've said or someone else has said. So in this video, I want to clear up a few myths about bad credit and VA loans. Be sure to stay to the end of this video because I will share some good news and a clear path to success in getting mortgage approval. The first thing to know is that no minimum credit score does not mean guaranteed approval. Unfortunately, certain people, including me, have pointed out the VA loan does not have a minimum credit score. People get it twisted. They think that means everybody is approved, and that's not true at all. The VA wants lenders to have guidelines. VA sets minimum guidelines because they want veterans to be successful. They don't want foreclosures. So that's the first thing to know is no minimum credit score does not mean guaranteed approval. It is flexible, but it's not guaranteed. Next thing to know is getting things caught up doesn't mean things are okay. I've had that happen where I talk to people and they say, oh, well, I was delinquent a couple months ago, but everything's caught up, so we're good now. No, it's not good now. You'll still have to wait a bit, typically. There are ways to get things deleted from credit, especially if you use credit repair and get a settlement. And so if you are trying to pay things off, I definitely do recommend you hire a credit repair service that's reputable, that can actually delete. It's called paper delete, where basically you delete bad things on your credit report in exchange for paying it off. So that's the way to do that the right way. Next thing is payment history is way, I'm going to say way 3 times, more important than the credit score. I'll give you a quick example. We just closed one. My team and I closed one with a 476 credit score the other day, and there were some reasons. He had some late payments, but he also had a legitimate reason. He had what's called extenuating circumstance. In other words, his wife had cancer and caused some late payments, but he got everything caught up, and he was able to document that those extenuating circumstances were the reason for the late payments. Now, I had someone else that applied recently that had a 575 credit score that actually told her she needed to wait. And you're like, wait a minute, the credit score is 100 points higher. How did that second one get declined while the first one got approved? And the reason being is that the one I declined had a recent credit card default. And unfortunately, she did not have qualifying extenuating circumstances. She did have some medical issues, but the medical issues did not qualify as an extenuating circumstance, so I could not use that.